Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert first property of radicals equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert first property of radicals equation in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find the first property of radicals. Here the first property of radicals equation, then we click it to insert. Now we can see we insert the first property of radicals equation. Now we want to edit and add more equation in this equation. Click the equation box and go to the design menu. Here many equation formulas like fractions or script, radicals, integral, large operation, brackets, etc. Now I am insert some radicals. Click the radicals option and apply another radicals and edit text. Now we can see we edit and insert the radicals equation very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.